My name is Lucas Leiro, the Country Director for Childcare Worldwide here in Kenya. We really thank God for this water system. We had a very good partnership with the Uzima Water filters. They gave us a very nice filter. For a long time, we've been giving individual families water filters. And also, we've also been helping churches with water tanks. But right now, this is more about community water, because apart from the churches benefiting with this water, it's also helping the dispensary, which is here. It's helping a school down there. And the community here are actually benefiting with clean, good water for drinking. So we really thank God for this opportunity. We appreciate the church, we appreciate the local community, and we also appreciate Uzima, which has actually come in handy with Childcare Worldwide to be able to give out this water to communities. So thank you so much, and may God bless you.
Sami utafanya kia? Osha kikombe hapo ndio mtoto.
Nao wakae hivi na wasmile.
And today we can drink water. And let me test.
Natushangilia.